Hi guys, good morning. Just going to explain some of the fraction things that are in your PowerPoint. So the first one, it's asking for improper fractions. Now a proper fraction, if you're not quite sure, I'm just going to write up here, like 1/2 is a proper fraction because the numerator is a smaller number or equal to the denominator. Okay. An improper fraction has a larger number on the numerator. That could be 3/2. If it's 3/2, that's 3/2. Now we know that if we drew this, and I drew two things, and I had two pizzas, and I split them in halves, I would have 1/2, 2/2, 3/2. So in reality, if I want to write this as a mixed number fraction, it would be 1/2, which is that, and 1/2. So it's pretty easy really. All you've got to do is make sure that on the first one, I'll go through the first one with you, which is A, 22/8. Now you've got to work out how many wholes there are in 22/8. So what I do is I say, well, 1/8, 8 of them, you would need 8 eighths to make a whole. So that's one whole, and then you're going to, that's two lots of 8, that's 16, and so we've got 6 left. So the answer is 2 wholes and 6 eighths. Now the big one, I'm going to this one, so I'm going to go B, 11/5, so 11/5. Now you've got to say, right, so that's an improper fraction, I've got to make it into a mixed number fraction, so I'm going to go, well, 5 of them, 5, that makes one whole, another 5 makes another whole, so I've got 10/5, which is 2 wholes and 1 left over. So that is 2 and 1/5. It's as easy as saying, how many times does 5 go into 11? And it's 2 and 1/5 left over. With C, 6/4, this is a nice easy one. How many times does 4 go into 6? It goes in once with 2/4 left over. Hope that helps. The next one, complete the fraction patterns. Of course, this is just a step counting. So 1/2 to 1, 1.5 to 2, and the next one will have to be 2.5, 3, and so on and so on. With this one, 1/3, 2/3, 1. 1 is also equal to 3/3. Okay, so you can go 1. The next step would be 1 and 1/3, 1 and 2/3. Do your best. Some of these are going up, some are going down.